When I was a kid, this whole hilltop was part of a mature forest. Huge trees, cool laurel thickets, deep leaf litter, black dirt, wet weather springs that were home to salamanders, even an old apple orchard. And then, about 30 years ago, it was strip mined. The topsoil and the native species disappeared, and an intricate, biodiverse ecosystem was erased. To control erosion, they had planted fescue, which grew into a thick mat like a shag rug, terrible cover for native wildlife. Apart from some milkweed, the landscape has been dominated by autumn olive, multiflora rose, and this lousy grass. In other words, it's all been pretty much barren. But on this cool rainy day in early May, we're trying to reverse some of the damage and restore, if not the forest, at least the first stages of biodiversity. We're attempting to plant an acre of beneficial pollinators and warm season grasses. 29 species of pollinators and 5 of warm season grasses to be precise. And I was having a hard time believing what we were doing was going to work. There was still a mat of grasses, and none of us had ever worked a no-till drill before. I wasn't even sure if the seeds were being distributed properly. We were just going to have to wait and see. Within a couple of weeks, we saw sprouts. Within a couple of months, we saw much, much more. I know it's only an acre, but it's a start. And yes, I'm intimidated by what lies ahead because we have much, much more acreage that needs restoring. But I'm also inspired.